Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video, and in today's guide, we'll learn how to sign a PDF on your Mac using the built-in Preview app in a simple and practical way. First, open your PDF document, and if it doesn't open in Preview by default, just right-click the file, hover over Open With, and choose Preview so everything loads correctly. Once your document is open, you'll notice a couple of helpful tools at the top, and one easy option is the Autofill tool, which can scan the PDF and let you quickly fill in any available text fields if it's a form. But for adding your actual handwritten signature, you'll want to use the Markup tool next to it. Now click the Markup icon, then look for the Signature icon in the toolbar, and here you'll see three options to create your signature. You can use your Mac Trackpad to draw it manually, you can use your Mac camera to scan a written signature on paper, or you can even use your iPhone as a drawing surface if that feels easier and more natural. Let's go with the Trackpad option, so click it, then select Click Here to begin, and carefully draw your signature using your finger on the trackpad. And once you're happy with it, press Done to save it. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, subscribe to Delft Stack for more simple Mac and iPhone tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these guides coming. Now, select your saved signature from the Signature panel and place it exactly where your signature field is on the document, adjusting the size if needed so it fits neatly. As an extra tip, once you save a signature in Preview, it stays available for future documents, so you don't have to recreate it every time. After placing it, go to File in the top left corner and click Save to store your changes, then close the document. When you open it again later, you'll see your signature already applied and ready to send. And that's basically it for signing a PDF on Mac using Preview. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Delft Stack tutorial video.